Are you a fresher in the DevOps industry, or you're struggling to get a job because you do not have the right technical experience? If you want to watch this video, as I'll be sharing with you some key tips on how to build the necessary experience with respect to cloud computing and DevOps as a fresher. If it's your first time coming across my content, I do a lot of videos on how to transition into IT, how to build the right technical skills with respect to DevOps and cloud computing, and of course, how to effectively prepare for your interviews. Now, if you're looking out to get the right skills with respect to DevOps and cloud computing, you are on the right track. One of the main things that makes you to sell out yourself after learning these cloud technologies is your ability to demonstrate your technical experience, and you can only get a job with your right technical skills intact. So how do you build the necessary experience needed to get yourself your first cloud or DevOps job? My first thing is for you to master the fundamentals. The first thing is for you to master the fundamentals. A lot of people go into interviews when they do not have the necessary understanding of the fundamentals around DevOps and cloud computing. The fact that you've taken a 2 months crash course or a 3 months crash course or a 4 months crash course doesn't mean you have the understanding of the fundamentals around these cloud platforms. If you ask a lot of people who are interviewing, they do not know what the core behind these technologies are. And if you don't have that understanding, there's no way you are getting that job. By the way, I have an end-to-end DevOps course with the link in my channel description. You want to check out that course, as I've simplified all the technologies which you must know as far as DevOps and cloud computing is concerned for you to start interviewing. Now, you must master the fundamentals. The fundamentals around a given cloud platform, the fundamentals around container orchestration, the fundamentals around infrastructure automation, the fundamentals about continuous integration and continuous deployment. You must have an understanding of all these fundamentals. The second thing is for you to, have certifications, right? You're looking at building the right technical skills, getting the job as a fresher. Have certifications. Why do I add certifications in this particular tract? I add certifications because in the process of obtaining a certification, you understand why these cloud platforms are built the way they are. And with this understanding, you cannot pass some of those certifications without having the right technical experience. I take a certification like the Certified Kubernetes Administrator certification. For you to pass the CKA, Certified Kubernetes Administrator, you must have an understanding of what Kubernetes is. Beyond just fast videos, you must know what Kubernetes is. And the process of you mastering the skill for the certification gives you the added advantage, or gives you the right technical skills which companies might potentially be looking for. I'm not saying that certifications alone can get you a job, but certifications will give you a very, very wide scope on these platforms before you even going into understanding the more technicalities with respect to company settings or with respect to production environment. So have the understanding of the fundamentals, have the right certifications or take certifications. And my third tip is for you to build your own projects. Build your own projects. Take a cloud platform, Amazon Web Service, build end-to-end projects around Amazon Web Service. Write a README file, create a GitHub repository, document everything on how you were able to establish that project end-to-end. Even go on to platforms like WonderPrep, www.wonderprep, or the link is in the channel description. Go on to such platforms and document the way you were able to implement these projects one after the other. You must be able to build your own portfolio. Write the README files, write the configuration files, write all the Terraform scripts, automation scripts. Build your own projects, document these projects, and this will give you an added advantage in developing the skills which companies need. If you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video. Let me know in the comment section if there's any particular thing you want me to do, or any video you want me to clarify your doubt with respect to DevOps and cloud computing. My fourth tip is for you to join hackathons. What are hackathons? Some experts in the industry might say we are doing a 5 days challenge, or we are studying this technology for 5 days, we are doing this particular thing for 10 days, and whatever the case, you want to join some of these competitions or some of these challenges to be able to show your technical skills. And as you're doing those projects one after the other, you're documenting them and sharing on your social platforms. You do the projects, you document them, you share on your social platforms. So as you're engaging in these competitions, these hackathons, you're meeting or you're working with other experts in the field and building the right skill set. So participate in hackathons. And my last tip, join online forums with respect to these given cloud platforms. Online forums will always have people posting projects, posting repositories, posting things which they probably have completed working on, and they want you to be able to see and possibly even go ahead to practice it. Visit these online platforms, DM people. If you're on LinkedIn and someone has updated a project you find interested, DM that person, ask the documentation, ask how to implement that project, do that project, get to the person, get feedback and all the like. Once you build all those projects, build your portfolio in that stack, you will really position yourself to have the right skill set to interview. So do these steps, and once you implement all of these steps, I can bet with certainty that you'll be very confident to start interviewing for roles with respect to DevOps and cloud computing. Let me know in the comment section which of these steps you found interesting, or anyone you want me to throw more light on, and I'll leave that for you. Again, if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, get yourself subscribed, and see you in my next video. Ciao.